Hey guys, so welcome back to Help Screen, and this is how to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. So first thing is just simply open up the WhatsApp application, and now in order for you to find the locked chat, just simply go to the chats tab down below, and just simply scroll to the top, and you should be able to see here locked chat. So tap on that, and from here just simply provide your PIN or fingerprint. And from here, just simply go to the three dots on the top right corner, and you will have chat lock settings, and you will have here hide lock chats. So just simply tap on that, and it will prompt you to create a secret code. So tap on create and provide a secret code. I'm gonna go for 1, 2, 3, 4 and select next, and go for the code again and select done. And now, once you have done that, just simply go back, and you should not be able to see your locked chat. So in order for you to find it, just simply tap the search bar at the top and just simply provide your code once again. And from here, you should be able to see locked chat over here. You should be able to access it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.